everyone, welcome to Shandong Machine. Today we are loading 2 units of 132 kilowatt wood pallet machine to Nepal. And as you can see, this machine capacity 1.5 to 2 tons per hour. And our clients also have an wood crusher, hammer mill, rotary dryer, and other pallet machine. The Nepal market is a new market for wood pallet making. Currently, Nepal clients they import wood pallet from India, but right now they have the ability to buy a machine from China to make the pallet by themselves. Tomorrow we'll load these 2 machines to Nepal. And after installation, we sincerely invite you to come to visit our customer factory plant to show you how is the wood pallet making. And we'll give you more information after the complete line finished the installation. We'll send you videos and we'll invite you to our plant to have a look at our machine running. If you have any interest, please contact with us. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.